Hi, I'm Barbara Cass and welcome to AC Wow Tire and Auto. We love being here in Ashland, Virginia. We've been here for 24 years as a family business. Now we'd like you to take a look at some of the things we've got going on in the back with the guys.
Hello, I'm Scott Glenn with AC Wow. Come see us for all your service needs. We service everything from the small to the large, engine replacements to oil changes. We can take care of you and do our best to do so.
Hey, I'm Michael Hampton and this is what I got going on over here. So this is a Nissan Pathfinder and it came in because the customer had a complaint about a noise coming from the left front when braking. And right here you have the rotor and you can see that it has been damaged and it's badly scarred due to, this is the caliper, and the brake pads on the inside right here have gone all the way down to its metal on metal contact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the rotor and the brake pads to make sure that everything is okay for the customer.
Good.
Alright, and right here we have a new Dodge truck and we are changing the suspension all the way around. This is a strut and we replace this, and afterwards we do an alignment to make sure that all the tires are wearing the appropriate way after the work has been done. So a lot of customers, they'll come in with holes in tires, and here at AC we can and we will patch and fix. And for tire repair, we don't use traditional plugs. We actually patch it from the inside to permanently fix the tire and uphold the tire's warranty as well.
Hi, I'm Russell, I'm the tire technician. We're going to dismount this tire coming off this 2010 Dodge 1500.
Also here we do a lot of computer diagnostics from top to bottom. We can search out your ABS system, your wheel speed system, your tire pressure sensor. We can diagnose and repair all of that. I think it was this 4th of July, we were up here taking out some trash on our day off, and a gentleman pulled in with a flat tire. He had just left Paris Island boot camp and was heading up north to go home for the holiday, and there was nobody around that had a tire. It was a huge 35-inch tire. On our day off, we opened up the shop, repaired his tire, and got him back on the road, as well as didn't charge him anything because he was very appreciative. Him and his mom both called back and have sent several people our way even though that they don't live in the area.
Hi, I'm Deanna, and I don't bring my car to anywhere but AC Wow.
Yeah, that was
So this is our laser hunter alignment machine. We keep it fully up to spec and adjusted at all times. We can do alignments on 99% of all vehicles. Helps with tire wear, helps your suspension, helps keep costs low in cars. And here's a Toyota Camry that we've had everything set up on, that we're finishing our front end alignment. It actually calibrates all 4 wheels at one time.
William? Yeah.